Ouch, my ring. Alright, fuck that. I'm not high enough for that yet.
Get your shit together then, man. Let's go.
Alright, everybody, you don't know this your boy
Johnson.
Gyalis Jay.
Dr. Sour.
And you're tuning into another episode of Vybz Friday.
We here. Nigga here now.
Yeah, but niggas ain't been here for a minute.
I mean, what shit? Nigga here now.
Well, yeah, people, we just been. This is just to close out the year and thanks everybody. I think we tried it before, but we got some audio technical. So skip the first video and jump to this. This is the real shit.
Thank you all of the subscribers, everybody that's been with us.
Yeah.
Continuously.
Yeah.
All of the time.
Yeah,
even probably watching now, they saw it pop, but it's like, oh shit, let's go see. Shouts out to y'all, man.
Yeah, shout out to all the guests that came on.
The guesses.
Yeah. Is that the proper grammar? Guesses?
All of the guesses.
Guesses. Yeah. Yeah, all the performers, everybody that came on to share their story. All
everybody.
That. Shout out to everybody.
Yeah,
and definitely shout out to the baddies for Gyalis and the baddies on Sundays. We're going to figure that out. But for, like I said, we just going to remix and start the new year fresh. But our goal is we're not going to stop, but we trying to get to 1,000 episodes consecutively. With we're not going to miss a Friday for next year. That's our goal for y'all.
1,000?
But that's our goal, to get to 1,000 episodes. But we're not going to
we're going to restructure. We're going to restructure, yo. We're going to rebuild,
and get to that goal.
Yo.
1,000 episodes is the goal with not missing a Friday. And that means even if I'm here alone sitting down for 10 minutes, y'all going to get an episode. So that's my word to y'all. And the live from me and y'all, from the Livevybz family, that's the proper way.
What are you trying to say?
From the Livevybz family to y'all. Yeah.
There you go. Happy holidays.
I don't know about that shit.
I knew he was going to say that shit.
I don't know about that.
I'm saying it.
But thank you everybody for tuning in.
We appreciate you.
Yeah, all the supporters. But like I said, we coming back next year strong. More fun, more fun, more good content.
More
we definitely
vibes.
got some challenges. The vibes is always there.
More lives.
Yeah, the
more vibes.
But the challenges is definitely gonna be crazy. And definitely shouts out to my boy Justin for Unlike and Unbothered. We definitely gonna collab with them. That's a new YouTube channel that's dropped. So shout out to them. Subscribe to their YouTube. And I'm on that show too. So definitely tune into that. So like I said, next year we working. And if you like the vibes,
subscribe. You already know the deal, man. Get your shit together.
All right.
Wow. Bravo. That was less than 10.